Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, let's select these layers. Let's see. Okay, and right mouse, precomps, add name 1. Click OK, and let's hide composition. Select these layers. Let's see. Okay, again right mouse, precomps, add name 2. Click OK and hide composition. And finally select these character layers. Right mouse, precomps, add name 3. Click OK. And let's unsolo all these layers. And let's select these all compositions. Press S. Change scale. Okay. And move to up. So let's close scales. Okay, let's open first composition. And let's make animation. Select this layer. Go to anchor point. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool. And select these fingers left. Parent this mobile. Select this pizza and salad. Parent to this mobile. And select this finger main. Again parent to this hand. So select this hand layer. Press R. And change rotation -3. And let's make new rotation keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. And change rotation 3. Go to again 10 keyframe. And select first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Press N for select work area. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. And go to first second. Select this mobile. Okay. And parent to this hand. Let's see. Okay. Let's select this finger main. Go to solo. And let's click this icon for see background. Go to palm behind. And move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. Select this finger. Press R. Make rotation keyframe. And change rotation like this. Okay, let's move to here. And go to 5 keyframes. Change rotation like this. Again go to 5 keyframes. Select first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Press N. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes. Make easies. And select these keyframes. Hold Alt. Move to left. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's go to window and open Animation Composer 3. And let's open starter preset. Let's search and let's try this effect 2D layer. Open 2D layer here and let's search nice effect for our pizza. Okay, this is not bad. Select this pizza and salad. Click apply. Let's close Animation Composer window. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's select this pizza and change intensity 10. Let's see. Or change 50. Or change 20. Okay, 20 is good. Let's select this salad and change again 20. And select this pizza. Let's press S, change scale. Move to here. Okay, good. So in this time, select these fingers. Let's Ctrl C these 3 keyframes and go to here. Make new rotation keyframe and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, go to here again, Ctrl V and again. And again. Let's see. Okay, and select these hand keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Control V, and here Control V, and here, and final here. Let's see. Nice. So let's right mouse and select work area, and let's close first composition and select this composition tool. Let's open and let's make car driving animation. Select this wheel 1, press R, and select this wheel 2, press R, make rotation keyframes, and let's go to 7 seconds, press N, and change -10, and let's see. Okay, nice. Let's select these wheels. Let's go to window and open animation composer 3 anchor point mover. Let's click this for move to anchor point center, and this click here. Let's see. We have problem with wheels. Okay, let's close this anchor point mover and select this car body. Go to here, press P, make new position keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe. Let's move to down. Go to 10 keyframe again. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Press N. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select keyframes, make easies, and select this car. Hold Shift, press R. Make rotation keyframe, change rotation 2, and go to here, change rotation -2 or -1, and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's select keyframes, make easies, and let's see. Okay, let's select this keyframe, change 1, and go to last keyframe, change 1, let's see. Okay, then select this glass, Ctrl D, and select reflection. Move to center these two layers and go to click toggle switch mode, change none to alpha matte, and let's move to here and press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to right like this and change scale. Let's see. Okay, so select this reflection and glass layers. Let's right mouse, pre-comps, add name, glass. Click OK and parent to this car. Let's see. Nice. So let's make expression for loop animation with 3 keyframes. Let's hold Alt, click this icon, go to play button, property, and loop out duration. Click here, this empty area for done expression. Then hold Alt, click rotation icon, go to play button, property, loop out duration. Again click this empty area for done expression. Let's change work area for endless. Let's see. Nice. Let's select work area only 7 seconds and right mouse, select work area. Let's see. So in this time select this glass. Let's open composition and go to last keyframe, right mouse, select work area, back to car composition, and let's Ctrl D, move to right for duplicate. Let's see. Okay, nice. So let's close this composition and let's see. Okay, select work area like this. Okay, not bad. So finally let's open this 3 composition and let's select this hand, go to solo and move to anchor point here, click selection tool and unsolo. Select this hand tool, go to solo, move to anchor point up, click selection tool and unsolo, and select this eyes, pair onto this here, select this here, pair onto this body, and select this pizza. Let's pair onto this hand 2, select this hand 2, press L, let's see. Okay, so in this time select this hand 2 and hand 1. Let's open rotation, make rotation keyframes, and let's change rotations like this. And go to 10 keyframe, let's change rotation like this. Okay. Nice, and let's change rotations. And select this pizza, press R, hold shift, press P, make new position and new rotation keyframes, and move to right. And let's change pizza rotation and move to right. Let's see. Okay, and here change rotation and select this hand. Let's change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this hand 1 and hand 2, pair onto this body. Select this body, go to solo, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and unsolo. Let's press R, make rotation keyframe and move to right and change rotation. Let's see. Select all these keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, move to right. Okay, let's move to left a little bit. And go to here, select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this. Let's see. Okay, nice loop animation. So let's select these keyframes and delete. Go to here, make new keyframes for all layers. Go to here and in this time make keyframes duplicate. Let's see. Nice. So select these all keyframes, Ctrl C, and go to here, Ctrl V, like this, and these keyframes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and this Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Also you can use again loop expression for endless animation, but I will use this way. Okay, let's select worker and right mouse select worker like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. So close composition and let's see. Nice. And let's select these all compositions, press P, and let's go to here, make new position keyframe and go to first second. Let's move to down this car and move to left this hand and move to right this character. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, let's select keyframes, move to right for slow animation. Okay, go to graph editor again. Let's select this graph, move to right. Okay, select these keyframes, move to left. Okay. So in this time, select this composition 2. Let's move to right, and composition 3. Move to right, let's see. Not bad. And let's go to pen tool and make one line like this. Click selection tool and close fill. Go to stroke, change stroke like this, and open color. Let's select this blue color, click OK. Let's see. Okay, and select this shape layer, change name line, and go to add. Let's select trim paths, go to first second, open trim paths 1, change end 0, make keyframe for end, and go to here, change end keyframe for 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right. Select keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay. Nice. Let's change stroke 25. Okay, in this time select this line. Let's Ctrl D and move to right. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.